Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to these trends. I'm here to talk about all that is trending on social media. And for some weeks now, or for a week now, a particular issue has been trending, which is the Galamsey, the protest for Galamsey, and some of the protesters being arrested. So we are coming to give you updates on what has been happening so far and how the court issue went, why they are telling their people that they can't even visit their own family members in prison or as remand. I don't know what is happening, but this issue is a little bit dicey and very sensitive. If you don't know how to go about it or how to talk about it, you also find yourself wanting. But hey, we are all Ghanaians, and we need our voices to be heard for all of them to be released and get back to their family. I learned some of them are not even feeling well, some of them are on medication. We have pregnant women over there. What's going on in the country? It's so sad and disheartening to see our people being treated like this as citizens. We all need our voices to be heard. This is D-Strength. My name is Priscilla. Stay with me. Okay. Wilson,
Sila,
how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
It's
Yourself?
good that you are wearing black shirt today. I should have also worn black or red because we all need to be protesting.
I tell you,
Yeah.
serious.
So I know you have chance on some of the videos on
Yeah.
social media,
I do.
and you have seen how our people, like Ghanaians, our citizens, and if what baffles me is the number of police people present.
The shock self.
The number of police people present for this particular issue, I never knew that police people can quickly appear like that.
Me, I didn't even know that we have that number of. Hey, I was even surprised, like looking at the videos, and
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
You are
Really?
less than one person with over 30 police people on the spot.
So they are telling us that even a policeman cannot handle one policeman cannot handle one
That's
civilian.
not my issue. If a civilian is in trouble now, we will not have that number of police people coming to rescue the person.
If you call them on phone, that
will not even
it's
come.
an emergency, right? They won't even come.
Before they come,
you know, will come.
Yeah, they'll tell you that you have to forward the car that they are bringing.
And sometimes too, they don't have rifle. Yeah, they do say those things.
Wow.
That's Ghana for us.
Wow. And all the things going on. Can you take us through?
Okay, so this is an update about the story that we did yesterday about the protesters. So they've been sent to court apparently.
Yeah.
And one interesting thing about this whole issue is the court remanding them into prison custody and police custody for 2 good weeks.
Yeah.
And then,
and
what was their offense?
And the funny side is when they are when they're in their police custody and prison custody, their family members are not supposed.
They are not allowed
to visit or are not allowed to visit them or to even see them.
This whole thing, I don't understand. Sometimes I begin to ask myself, so is it the policemen who are rewriting the constitution or what?
Not drink. You cannot eat any food because cyanide has gone into the soil. And this is what these young people are fighting about. And Mother Ghana, only God, and posterity will judge everyone involved in this. What is their crime? Their crime is trying to protect our very nature, our country called Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah's Ghana. And this is where we are. They are the criminals. The criminals are continuing with their jobs. And our sons are the criminals.
Because
I just blame, or my worry is the person who gave the command. Because before the police people will act, the command will come from above.
Above, yeah.
Yes. So the person who gave that command, I don't know what procedures or what measure he gave out to the police people for them to follow. for the case to reach this place.
That's why sometimes the police institution is supposed to be what how will I even put this?
Place or
no, like even they are not supposed to be politicized.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
But then it's as if almost all our institutions in this country, they are all politicized. Like, because this is not the person destroying the water bodies. They are in the bush. Someone in Accra here saying, please, you have the power. You have the power to stop this thing. And the person is protesting. It's not even violent. This is not a violent protest as compared to Kenya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Recently. These people, even how many are they? They are not even up to 100.
No,
the number of people protesting, they are not even up to 100.
A lot of people didn't even come out to protest.
Yes. Yet you are arresting them, molesting them, even to the extent that I don't know who gave them that power, the police, that audacity to say that they are not so they don't have they don't have the privilege to a lawyer or even their family members don't have the
be bailed on all that.
Come
this
on.
is just a protest.
You see the difference between Ghana and all other countries is that you see Kenya, when they were protesting, this thing was so violent. They were destroying properties and stuff. Yet, when they were arrested, their judiciary, like they issued a statement and they were like, what? They should bring all the people to court. It shouldn't be like today is Sunday, so they will not be working. They said they should bring them to court. And quickly, when they send them to court, they release all of them. They were violent too, yet Ghana, peaceful demonstration.
Still, you see, I was asking earlier, I was asking you that what at all did they do? The people that were demonstrating, what at all did they do?
I don't even know. Because we didn't see them throwing stones. We didn't see them fighting with the police.
No,
we didn't see them. No.
Before any protest to happen, the police is aware. And you give them, is it a judiciary or some place that they can protest?
Yeah, as in their geographical boundaries or those things,
that they can. And they didn't do any of that. Now they are arresting people based on somebody is doing a live video.
Yes.
That girl too was arrested. I don't know
why. Pregnant woman. A pregnant woman, 4 months pregnant woman, together with her husband. They are from hospital. And they are even taking pictures. Even the way the man is dressed, right? You're like, how can somebody be in a kaftan with a sneaker protesting?
And the man was like, I'm from service. He's from
and the woman they are from hospital. With their staffs, with their car. Now, can you be protesting with car in your car?
Nah.
Even it's not as if they are trekking, the protesters, it's not as if they are trekking. They are just at one place.
I think they are just frustrated and angry. That's why all these things are going on.
See, the police service they can do better. What they are sometimes I don't even understand them. At the end, these people they are fighting for even you in uniform. They are fighting for you and I.
Tell us your name and what happened.
My name is Evangelist Winnie. I'm from Easterport. I was just reported. It was just reported to me that my brothers have been arrested. So I followed up today. No, they were arrested on Sunday when they were from 37 coming, and they saw the people protesting. So they went there to snap a picture, and they took the lady who is my brother's wife. She's also pregnant. She's 4 months pregnant. They took her. They took my brother, who is also under operation, taking medicine. They took that one too. And they took my other brother. So my junior brothers too are inside with one wife.
You said they were driving a car?
Yes, they were driving a car. Toyota Corolla X.
Do you know the whereabouts of the car?
No, we don't know the whereabouts of the car too.
So are you confident that they are here at this court? Have you seen them?
Oh yes, when I came here I saw them and they have handcuffed them.
You've handcuffed them?
And they took them inside. They wouldn't even allow you to talk to them.
They are fighting for you and I.
And Wilson, you know the police motto. I think it's police is our friend or the police is our friend. So at this point, are they exhibiting that with the citizens? Because you are my friend. Look at how the previous videos before the arrest to happen. Look at how they were molesting one guy.
Just one single individual over 20 policemen.
I saw that there
This one, wait, Chinu, wait. Really? You see, it got to a time I begin to believe that, like, indeed, the police is our friend, especially when P.R.I.S.O.N was interrogating with the citizens, So even sometimes, it will, like, some of us that we ride, I get relieved, I get safe, even though I know that if something happened, there is a probability that I'll meet a police in the next junction, but they will solve that issue for me. So I feel free. I can travel anytime, and I feel free engaging with some of them. Like I was telling you the other time, I saw one. I gave him a lift.
Yes.
Do you understand? But right now, so it got to a point. I begin to feel like, yes, indeed, the police is my friend. I can talk to them. After all, it's the difference is the uniform. Is their uniform, right? But then some of the stuff that they do you think that even if I have a credible information to give you about something, like look at what they did to that 10-year, is it 10 or 8 years girl? See, that is so barbaric. See, tomorrow you will tell that small girl that the police is your friend. Once you put that kind of fear into her, the trauma, just imagine, and she's going to live with that forever. She's going to live with it.
And you see, mental health issue.
So right now in Ghana, if they are protesting, you dare not pass by, because if you don't know, they will arrest you. Like seriously.
Now they are even putting fear in us, the civilians, that we can't protest anymore.
Yes.
Because now and that when you protest, you might end up in prison.
Yes.
Your family members cannot even come and look for you. They will intentionally call some of them.
Yes.
They will get to the police station, and then they
tell them that yes, order from above.
Yes.
So they can't grant you that access to your family.
I believe Feliciti's lawyer even was saying that they don't know where she is.
Yes, some of them, they don't know their whereabouts.
They don't know their whereabouts.
As if they are criminal. Like, you go to the bush.
2 weeks. Exactly, 2 weeks. But we are going to repeat the appeal again. We are going to appeal against it as the Human Rights Court. And we are sure that within some days we'll have the results.
There are some concerns that you raised about how your clients were treated in custody. What are you going to do about it? You made that prayer before the court balance.
Yes, that's because we were given limited time to have conference with our clients. So I'm sure with this, knowing where exactly they are right now, we are going to get their instructions and repeat the application again.
One thing that you guys have been making public the effect of the numbers. Today we have 40 of them. Are you satisfied with the numbers now?
We are not satisfied because the main person why I'm here is Felicity Nelson, and she has not been brought to the court. So we have to look for where exactly she is, and I'm sure at the coming days, if we can't find her, we'll bring habeas corpus application at the court to get her to be brought to the court.
We know 2 courts were handling this. Have you received any correspondence with them, and have all of them been remanded?
Yes, all of them have been remanded, and the plea of 19 of them have been taken, and 12 of them, their plea have been referred to the next agenda, because we raised the concern that they have not been served with the charge sheet. They only surprised us with the charge sheet at the courtroom. So we raised the same point, and the judge agreed with us and adjourned the matter for their plea to be taken. They are only disappointed at the number of days that they have been remanded, and some remanded into prison custody, which is clearly not befitting of people who are protesting for Galamsey. No reason was given, so we are going to apply for the proceedings of today and appeal against it.
We know one person, a bench warrant has been issued for one person. Do you know the reasons for that?
The reason is that they said the police claim that person was released before coming here. Meanwhile, the protesters are also saying that person was only released this afternoon. So we can't trust who exactly is telling the truth. So we are going to get in touch with the person and we'll bring the person to court.
Are these ones allowed to speak to their family members now? Are they allowed to receive visits from their family members, loved ones?
That's the orders from the court, and we only hope that the police will abide by same. And if they don't abide by it, we are sure to include same in our appeal.
The police is not telling us where they are taking the protesters. How do we know where these protesters are going to be kept and which police station they are going to be put at so that the family members...
Why, if the order from above for you to arrest people that are not polluting our water bodies, people that are not destroying our cocoa trees, people that are not destroying our farmlands, order from above that you should arrest them and send them to wherever be. Why is it that you cannot follow that same order and go into the bush, save our forest, save the water bodies, save the aquatic life?
Now, dear Charlie, you are making rules terms now.
Oh, Charlie, they make some English self they speak me self they wonder. The thing they ball. See, this is so emotional. This a country, this democracy.
Because we are all not exempted. Everybody can be in this particular position.
It can happen to me today. Who knows? Maybe I'm from here when the police stop me and say, "Hey, I saw your video. Why are you talking about against the police?" Then they will look for something small.
Yes.
See.
Your people will not see you even again.
Yes.
The protesters, please make way. You gave me the same charges. God will judge you people. 21st. On a go die one by one. 21st September. On a go die one by one. 21st. Today is my 10th day of life fasting. You took me to Odoko say I've not eaten since that Sunday.
When is your trial?
Madam, make way. Madam, make way.
On the 8th. On the 8th.
Vanessa, my trial is on the 8th. I was coming back from church. They picked me up. Killian. I didn't think this is my church. Yeah, this is Killian. Vanessa, this is Killian. They picked me up. I was coming back from church. God will judge you people.
Okay.
God will judge you people. God will judge you people.
Some of these issues, if I chance upon the charge sheets, some of them they say they are tearing posters and those things. Now that one, it be police, it be your job.
Necessary.
That's a civil issue.
Yes.
NPP is not in government. Even it's not NPP ruling this country. Do you understand? NPP is a social political group.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So me tearing their posters, the posters does not belongs to the government of Ghana.
Yeah.
It belongs to the party. So if the party didn't call upon you to arrest the person, why are you arresting the person?
That's the question.
That's because that's not government's property.
Yeah, that's the question.
It's not government property.
No.
So is the political party who is supposed to report the people to you? Then you stand on that and arrest them. Now you are charging them for tearing posters.
Now we are
like
all
unlawful.
When we are even walking, we are in fear. When you are going, like, hey, God have mercy.
It shall be well.
It shall be well. Okay. There is an update on the arrest. The police have put up a press release. I believe you have it.
Yeah.
And this for the press. Police updates 6 court remands, 39 accused person in democracy. Let me take it again. Police updates 6 court remands, 39 accused person in democracy have demonstration case. 1. 39 of the people who were arrested for engaging in various acts of lawlessness at the 37 intersection in Accra on 22nd and 23rd September 2024 were put before the court today, which is 24th September 2024. The court remanded 28 of them into police custody and the remaining 11 into prison custody. 30 of the accused persons are to be reappear before the court on 8 October 2024, while 9 others are to appear before the court on 11 October 2024. The remaining suspects will be put before the court to face justice. The case is being prosecuted by the Office of the Attorney General. So this is for the press, and it is signed by the Director of Public Affairs. So guys, Wilson, so the rest of the people will be appearing on the 8th of October. And I read in a part that some of them will be sent to court to face justice.
Justice. Look at this statement.
I don't understand.
So you see, sometimes
we are just leaving it for them.
You see, sometimes that's why sometimes people feel like some of the things are political. Because when you go to social media, some people are saying NDC protesters. Because the people who are protesting against Galamsey, meaning they are NDC. Really? Are you kidding me? Like, seriously?
We shouldn't make it like that. We are
Like,
Ghanaians. I'm saying it's affecting all of us.
See, some things we should be careful. Some things are these are social problems.
Yeah.
It's not about MPP, NDC, CPP, QIY, 999.
New force.
Really? And look at the statement. This is a prejudice statement. Meaning they've orchestrated everything already, and they know that okay, when they go there, they are going to sentence them. Meaning everything has been planned because they will face justice. What justice? Is it a police? Is it a police force who is supposed to tell us whether justice will be served or not?
Yeah. So we
put the people before court. Let the court do their work. Even sometimes, sometimes we should be using common sense. So yes, there is law, but sometimes common sense. You, the judge, you yourself, don't you have even? I feel like me. I cannot question them though, but this is my personal thought. I feel like at least some of the cases, this is a social problem. Why can't the judiciary be very sensitive to this issue and be like, hey, okay, yes, it's only in Ghana, every small offense, somebody will go and steal goats and the person will be jailed 30 years. Meanwhile, a politician can steal like $1 million, $500 million. No, I'm saying that meanwhile, I didn't say, I'm not speaking to anybody specifically.
Alleged.
But then,
it's alleged.
Yes. But we found, but they found $1 million in people's things and blah, blah, blah. Some people take contracts, they'll go and execute. Even some public officers, they are tested during this parliamentary public committee whatsoever. People come there. They squandered money and stuff. They will take millions, yet they are walking free on our street. Somebody that went and protest, now he's going to sleep in jail for 8 days. Who knows? Maybe after that one, they will say, okay.
14 days.
14 good days.
You don't care about their welfare.
But have you seen your sister? Have you been able to see your sister?
I saw her, but I've been able to speaking to her.
But I thought they called you earlier to say she's not feeling well.
Just this morning, I received a call, and the person mentioned his name as Inspector Ken. And that he was speaking from the National Police Headquarters. He told me that my sister wasn't fine and so we should come to check up on her as a family. I got to the National Police Headquarters gate and I was denied access to her.
Why?
I called the number for several times. The number is here. I checked through mobile money. The name came Kennedy Gengbe or something. We called for several times. There was this policewoman at the gate. The name was Japan. I spoke to her. I told her that, look, I just received a call from this number that my sister, who is diabetic and asthmatic and is battling glaucoma, is here. I am told she is not fine. We want to check up on her. The woman took the number. She also called for several times, but that number didn't answer until I heard that they were being brought to court. I went to the P.R.I.S.O. police station, and the station officer told me that specific instructions had been given that they should not be granted access to any family member, not even a lawyer. I made them aware that my sister is diabetic. I made them aware that she is asthmatic. I told them that she has glaucoma. And so she would need her drugs. They said no.
Why is you? Because he's saying, stop Galamsey, stop polluting our water. You have the power.
With the statement and stating all their offense so that we the citizens will be okay. Now we know their offense. We know that okay, this is what Felicity did, this is what our governor did, and this is what Oliver did. So now we are at peace, so that we can know that okay, they truly violated the rules or the law.
But see, it's only Ghana here that when you realize almost all demonstrations that has been held in this country, they are very peaceful. As compared to other countries, yet we treat our people as if like we are putting fear in them so that they will not fear and panic. They shouldn't demonstrate. They don't have nobody. Even the police force is not 100% good. How much more individuals? You are going for something. Definitely, there will be some lapses.
There's someone. They don't allow anybody to have access to the person.
But the police officer that called you said she wasn't feeling well, or what?
Yes. That was what he told me this afternoon. And I am very surprised. But see, as a family, we have nothing to say. If our sister dies today, we have sacrificed her for the betterment of all of us. At least, sometimes it should take some committed members
of the country to fight against illegality and to fight for the entire liberation of us all.
They cannot follow everything 100% as you want.
Sure.
So at least if they should violate 10%, and they follow 90%, that's a win. Because see, even you the police, you sometimes right, you goof at your work, your own work, right? You do mistakes. How much more civilians? Yeah. You that you are trained, and government is paying you, yet you do mistakes. How much more civilians? When they do mistakes, then you say we will do this.
Mistakes are allowed.
Oh, okay. we all learn. Me. Sometimes I wish God. Sometimes like wishes are not horses. Like me, I will not ride. I'll be jumping on it. Like because this water, those judges, even the policemen, those orders from those people giving the order from above, if you give them water like that, if they say this water company now they are taking their water from those places, do you think they will drink water again? No. They will, if even they are importing water. Ghana, we are blessed. Look at the number of rivers we have in this country. We even have look at the Lake Volta, River Volta. Yeah. Even the whole world, Lake Volta is the biggest artificial lake in the world. We are blessed. We have Ankobra, River Ankobra, all those things. Yet we are still importing water to drink, water keke that we will drink. It will get to a time we have to wait on God, so that when it rains, we can harvest some of the rainwater and drink.
God have mercy on us. We won't get to that point. I think the right things will be done moving forward. And we have another report which is coming from the National Peace Council. Wilson, do you have it on your phone too, so that you can equally look at it? So the Peace Council is also issuing a statement. The National Peace Council is aware of the ongoing political situation in the country, including alleged arrest of demonstrators on the streets of Accra, and want to assure the public that Peace Council GH is working with relevant stakeholders to find readdress to the situation. We take the opportunity to assure all Ghanaians and all the people of Ghana that our commitment to safeguarding peace, justice, and the well-being of every Ghanaian remains unwavering. Stay assured, National Peace Council. So National Peace Council also have put up a press statement. Okay, guys.
As for the National Peace Council, I thank God that now they are able to find their voices now. Because they've been mute for some time, and we know what is going on. Because when you speak, they are coming for you. The government will come for you. So, well, we live to see. We live to see. If it's only in this country that, especially this particular government, that when you protest, even to go out and do demonstration, you are scared because they will arrest you. Me like this, if they arrest me, who is coming for me?
Nobody means a.
You see? So they are putting those fear in. But in the previous regimes, even J.J. Rawlings, and may he so rest in peace, even he is a military man, yet there were demonstrations. People were not arrested. Kumi Preku was even dangerous than this one, right? Yeah. Even the Doomsaw during Mahama. Yes, they were more violent than this. Even this one, there, Charlie. Even people didn't show up. The number of personnel that were deployed were even much more as compared to the protesters. Then,
you God. See, it's
why?
Now it makes sense. Okay, guys, this has been very interesting and very educative. We are all learning. We are all learning from this demonstration that is going on. This has been these trends. Make sure you follow us on all social media handles. Follow myself, Priscilla Banks, on all social. Follow Wilson Gosway on all socials, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. Before I leave, or before I take my leave, Billie Eilish said I should tell all of you watching me that you should take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.